Everybody thinks of a farm that it's a pitchfork, it's a hay bale, and it's an old rusty tractor. Well, on this farm, it's not the case.
Yeah, technology is a big part of, I think successful farming.
Every cow wears a collar, we get all this information.
We have currently 30 cameras across the 2 farms that allow us to see which cows need more food or when cows are running out of feed, and so that we can manage them from our smartphone anywhere.
They can roam around in here. They can go up and eat at the feeder when they want to. They have a little computer chip and they can go into the feeder several times throughout the day and get fed.
We have 4 robots in here working 24 hours a day. The cows going through the gates, nobody's pushing on them, so they kind of go at their own pace, so there's not a stressor to them. This guy pushes the feed back up to the cows. The cows, as they eat, they root around and push the feed around, and it works its way out, and this guy pushes it back up.
The GPS auto track system on the tractor allows us to do more with less. So as the tractor drives itself, it can make sure that every row of corn is essentially perfectly spaced so that it drastically reduces the waste.
So one way we keep track of what we're putting on the land is an app that I have. It's a nitrogen management tool.
We invested in a drone in the beginning of the summer. One of the major positives that we had right away was being able to fly over our cornfields.
On our farm, we own and operate a methane digester. Our farm actually exports 4 times the power that it consumes. At the foundation of what we do is quality and health and comfort for our animals, animal welfare, the environment. We are the first and foremost stewards of the land, and we're proud of that.